But that's really what happened. See, I know my atigo teacher mentioned immediately one chairman atigo for 10 years. 5 years, when there, cashier, Agago. Cashier. Now, you know, pressing on me, Agago need the district. I took a pen and wrote a memorandum, and I convinced myself to accept it. Been holding rally granted the district. And for the FDC, at the NRM. And Cameron granting his interest been very convincing and we are look at communicating. Can you imagine? So, I don't look at all chairman. And I think you can see for yourself what we did for the development. Kamati chairman, but there, I care of the district headquarters, those are the potential ones.
Yeah.
And then I set up sub-county headquarters, Mapon, I care of an audience, under my administration. Chilling Bino, a Lego to teach me to take shilling alone and pick a dwarf. And giving anyone on me in this pocket, and I've been a Chuyangago. The reason I said, Ning, kind Caravana, Miroquano, kind of. And I did not trust my people, they would work harder as I did. So I decided now to come to the border. I go up here. Still about 5 kilometers, you will reach the border between us and Jogotiro, Jabim.
Jabu.
Jabim, then Omeroquanokan, Butunkuja. Then I decided to come here. And now, number one, I sat down with my people to mobilize them. And we don't know. The first thing, let's look for NGO. We got it from Aid Environment. The Aid Environment people came and helped us get afforestation of our area. They were the one providing with seedlings and so on and so on. And each family, according to that agreement, we were planting 2 acres of forest. After complying, forest experimental plot till forest that was the first thing. From there, we turned into sanitation. So that every homestead could get pit factory. And it is there now. Then later on, we turned to microfinance saving. He did our
VSLA.
Well, you will ask the person in China, I think we have over 15 million. More than 20 million.
In the bully chop.
Now, and people can now be organized. I brought the idea of education. And together with my people, we put up those scratch arts. And we put the children to learn. There are very many children. Of course, this part of the land, since the time of Tafnel, and in over 100 years. And that piece of the land, I want to offer it for civic development. Have it kind of up to the end of this one. Now, the central part, education. The northern part, there is a Catholic chapel. Tunka and Deliverance Church chapel. Then health center, health unit, Then on the side of the western part of the road, Wapo, Kidman, a jail for security, police, and more for the time being. Then another area is a commercial center. Next year, we shall be giving these plots to our people who want to have commercial business. Take the property, about 50 to 70 plots. We shall give them. Then we shall set up an auction as well for commercial business. Now, our youth come. Our youth are very active. We take a Tukudino. A part of the land we take for peace ground. This peace ground came as a result of peace center. Annually. Every 26th day of October yearly. The first anniversary was done recently on the 26th. And the person who prayed for us, the main celebrant, was Bishop Dominic Ebu from Kotido. He did it very well. And that land, as you saw it, I think will remain under the guidance of a young priest called Jino Wayne, who is the parish priest of Adilan. And in this organization, there is no discrimination. Everybody participates to pray for peace. It's an alternative approach to peace between us and
the Karamojong.
This time the Karamojong turned up in big number. It was very, very, very nice. Marvelous when you see the young Karamojong dancing during the mass. It was so beautiful.
Like when they went to Paimol.
Yeah, I think they did it there also.
They also did to Paimol.
So we are now doing it. Turn now to this school. I told my people I will advocate and do it for money. I love it for money. And I got a daughter of ours who live in Italy, doing social services and work in the foreign office of Italy. She came to visit me, saw our children learning under that roof, came back the following day and promised he would look for money for us. Then I sent her the budget. We are going to show you something. This is the first block we have embarked on. In this preliminary architectural drawing, the beginning was administration, but some of these workers, I think, spoiled it. We have a copy anyway. So this is for Kinta Garden, A1, 2, 3, and offices, and also staff room. Then the second one is this one. This is the very building. And we thought we should begin with this.
Classroom.
7 classrooms with 1 library.
So this is the isometric projection.
Yes, this is the projection. And the drawer call it preliminary architectural drawing. He's working on the detail. Then, of course, from nursery people come to primary. And from primary, beside that, this is for adult. You call it multi-purpose classroom block. Man for adult education. For ladies, all the discussion about themselves and so on. And this is how it will look like. Then there's what we call skill education.
That is vocational.
Vocation. The skill education is this one. We call it carpentry and electrical workshop, and which shall include every skills training. Here you can see the stores, the drawing desk, office, and then workshop is here. We can expand it. So there are 5 blocks we are going to construct on this land. The first one is this one. As you can see, if you wish, you can walk around and see it. The people who have helped us most, this Bishop of Kutiro helped us with the lorry and brought the sand. Brought us also the bricks which we bought from Kutiro, from a beam. We brought them. Now, the donors have sent a site engineer who came and took the measurement for the beam. And I think soon we shall begin beaming all the walls. And then all the beam will be built, then roofing. You may ask, what about this one? According to these donors, they say we should not begin all at a go. So 2 classrooms will be lagging behind. But the library will be built. Let's see, we are continuing. Now, what about agriculture? Indeed, our coming here, one of the main reasons is agriculture. I try to urge my people to cultivate their land. I also cultivate together with them, except that we don't have the means. Like tractors, we don't have, and so on. You people, sons of ours, I want you to take note of this. Government is trying to help, but coordinators are not helping us. You can see these coordinators who stay in offices. They ask for tractors, and they keep the tractors themselves. Then they hire it to us.
And it becomes unaffordable.
Yeah, so it becomes unaffordable for us. We resort now to our animal tractions and so forth and so on. So I think we're appealing to the government to make a different approach to operation wealth creation. Instead of talking about it in offices, they should come send staff outside to identify those who are trying to do some work.
Those who are struggling already.
Who need help.
I don't take a year.
Liman Paris Development PDM. Pitua kan kwenye pera.
Exactly.
Chilling kepo nilipange kake dwako. Na wewe machini angamana machama. Muko mpeke inculcating
you repay with you
the money. And I don't think we shall create any economic advancement as a result of UPDM. Paris Development Module. I don't think we shall succeed. Now, to only tap number 1, math. Number 2, Yenyumon.
Peke smartphone per willow.
Kai peke to will minute smartphone, no lara and so forth and so on. You know, I told Kabuma, who is second to Salim Saleh, I need a one of Salim Saleh to come here to see what our people are doing. If you are not tired, I can work with you. You see what our people are doing.
We are going. We are going.
We use our hands. We don't have tractors. And when we ask for them, they will say, will you be in group? We are in group. But we are not given. I wish some of these people who have could come to our head. One, to make us complete this school, classrooms, so that next year our children they come to land here. Two, to consider helping our farmers with means of cultivations. But otherwise, as I speak, we are not hungry people. We have enough food. All our families have enough food. And
You just want to go commercial.
some of them, yes, some of them are even wasted. You can see the cassava. Some of them are there.
And you the things like processing should come in.
Yes.
Where you chat and
Processing machineries, center. This is wrong thinking, you young people.
Yeah.
Are doing to
where people are not growing.
in Nairobi. Machine, yeah. Man, you see?
That is economic
So
wastage.
some of the problem, I want to take a report poll. Foreign journalists do a lot of research, come up with viable approaches, suggest it to the government. I know they may not even take it. They do not know your role. Your role is very important.
Exactly.
Because you do a lot of researches and so on and so on. How no? Let them consider it.
True.
But they wish to gather people in a room and those who talk very loud
Actually,
listen to.
even today, they criticize even our work. But we have continued and mukane impact of Bertie Mapol Magin to Canano Kilachian, Pijomano taking up the mantle. So, in only such a kind of mentality in a law from a very genius perspective. I think that's why government has considered, but not yet official, media should become the fourth arm of the government. Because I think some will know the role of media in the society. You know?
Yeah, I believe you people are teachers. Informer actually is a teacher. Because he informs the person who does not know. So if you are informing people who do not know, you are a teacher.
Exactly.
You see, the government should encourage your work. They should really facilitate you so that you come to remote corners like this one to find out what the people are doing on their own. If I had the means, I would have taken you to see our garden in a place called Bamaja. You would see how people have worked. Video of that place. But what the people did on the land. It was my encouragement. I won't put you in attack. There was